It was a few years ago. When I got to experience Crabtree Falls. At that time in life, I was going through things mentally and emotionally. I remember that morning, I had an argument with my ex because she was supposed to come with me, but for some reason, she decided not to. Already going through it, all I gotta say is, don't judge people based on the way they look, act, dress, and talk, because you'll never truly know what they're going through in life. This falls has a very rocky trail, so make sure you wear something that protects your feet and are waterproof, because there are many slippery rocks and water spots you'll have to walk over. The closer you get to the waterfall, the more you can feel the breeze and mist speckle across your skin. I have never honestly been able to take in how beautiful this 60-foot Crabtree Falls is until now.